Let's take a look at the board. This time we are going to analyze exclusive OR gate. Okay, in order to find out what we are going to have on the output when switch is open or switch is closed, we're supposed to first draw the dash line at every single change of my input waveform. Anytime you are going to notice transition from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, you're supposed to draw the dash line. Okay. Next, you're supposed to look at the truth table of exclusive OR and look what we have at the inputs and determine the output waveforms. Okay. Now, when switch is open, the current will go directly to the gate. That's why I'm going to have logic 1 at this input. Now, I'm supposed to look at this one, and at this moment, this is 0. So we have 1 exclusive OR 0 is going to give me 1, because 0 exclusive OR 1 gives me 1. That's why I have 1 over here. 1 exclusive OR 1. Okay, so 1 exclusive OR 1 gives me 0. 0 exclusive OR 1 gives me 1. 1 exclusive OR 1 gives me 0. And I have 0 exclusive OR 1 gives me 1. 1 exclusive OR 1 gives me 0. And I have 0 exclusive OR 1 gives me 1. Okay, so now I can draw the wave. Please notice that if the switch is open, the output waveform is the complement of the input one. Now let's take a look what will happen if we're going to close the switch. If I'm going to close the switch, this input is going to receive logic 0 because you connect ground to this input. And again, 0 exclusive OR 0 gives me 0. 1 exclusive OR 0 gives me 1. 0 exclusive OR 0 gives me 0. Next, 1 exclusive OR 0 gives me 1. 0, this is 0, exclusive OR this 0 gives me 0. This one, exclusive OR this 0 gives me 1. This 0 exclusive OR this 0 gives me 0. Now I can draw the output waveform. Please notice that the output waveform when switch is closed look exactly the same like an input waveform. So the conclusion is when the switch is open, at the output you are going to get the complement of the input waveform, and when the switch is closed, simply you will pass whatever is at the input to the output. Okay, so I can say that these are the solutions to my problem.